So?
Huh?
So?
What?
Ready?
Am I ready?
Yeah.
As far as I know. Yeah?
Freshly rebuilt motor 4 years ago?
Yeah.
Got jammed filming it, see if it'll
Oh,
start.
okay.
Wait for the camera.
Put the battery post on.
I don't think there's enough to use the starter.
We'll
so
have to crank it.
We'll have to crank it.
We'll have to crank it.
Okay.
Turn that on.
Turn that on. Choke.
Try the choke.
A little bit of accelerator.
I'm not sure which.
How much?
I'm not sure which way's which. I think that's less.
That's less? Could be. Our homemade crank. Crank going into the hole. In neutral.
I hope so. It certainly sounds better than it did.
Does it feel better?
Yeah.
We need a bit more spark.
A bit more spark.
Yeah, if I bring the truck down, run the cables over.
I don't know. Don't know for sure that we're getting gas.
Oh, wow. Did you turn it on?
Maybe it leaks.
Huh?
It leaks.
It leaked. That's on now.
It leaks. Hold your hand over this.
Oh,
Choke it.
choke it. Right. Right. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not so sure that we're getting gas. Second attempt. Bit of rust in the carburetor. See if we get gas this time. Put the choke on.
Choked on. Want me to put my hand there?
We'll try it without.
Okay.
Yep, take three.
Take three.
Unknown year, 1940s, 50, John Deere 40.
Yeah, 40.
More crap in the carburetor, cleaned it out. Try it again.
We'll do it. Try it again.
Turn the key on,
Turn the key on.
pull out the choke.
Pull out the choke.
Now give her a crank room.
Give her a what for?
Ain't giving me what for. Somebody made the crank handle too short.
Oh. Try number 4.
Choke is on.
Choke is on.
Well, that's new. There's a green light lit up over here.
Oh.
See that green light?
There's a green light on there now. Yeah.
Gosh. Let's try the starter. Check for that. Bad connection.
Oh. Too loose. Want to tighten that up with the wrench? better start.